Hey guys, this is Kedar here, and recently I have ordered Realme GT Master Edition. I ordered this one from Flipkart for a really discounted price. I got 128GB 8GB RAM version for just about 15,800 Indian rupees. For the price I paid, I think this one is really underrated phone in this category. Today in this video, we are going to unbox Realme GT Master Edition. We will see the camera samples, benchmarks, gaming and everything. So without a further ado, let's get started. So the unboxing experience was really premium. You got Realme branding over here, and I'm particularly excited to see how the 120Hz AMOLED display looks like, and it's got that 1000 nits peak brightness and Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. With the discounted price, I got this at a great value. And here we got our Realme GT Master Edition. Holding this one in my hands for the first time, it feels so grippy and very perfect. And here, let me turn it on first of all, and we will see what else do we get in the box. Wow, I have to say this case looks so much beautiful. The Voyager grey suits really nice, I think. And here you got a Type-C USB cable. Then you got super fast 65-watt charger. This one can max out at 10 volts at 6.5 amperes. Do you use fast charging all the time? Let me know in the comments down below. Honestly, with this phone, I tend to avoid fast charging because it's too fast. I will get to the details in a moment. Getting my first hands onto the phone, I can clearly see it fits in my hands perfectly. The display size is perfect enough. That's kind of a relief. So let me set it up quickly, and here I have to say guys, most of the phone these days offer glass back, but this Voyager grey black panel do feel really different. First time you hold this phone, you'll feel this one is really grippy and feels like you are touching a really premium plastic material. Then you got Realme UI, almost the stock Android experience, but on top of that you got some bloatwares there. Not a big deal guys, you can remove the bloatware, and 120Hz AMOLED display feels really smooth. If you take a look at the internals, GT Master Edition stands out. Its display, design, internals all are top notch. I got this one about a month ago and I'm still testing out the cameras, but generally they are sharp enough and autofocus is quite good enough as well. Nighttime performance for the selfie camera is good enough. I would not say it's the highest quality you can get out of a smartphones right now, but it manages to get good selfies. Particularly during the low light, you can see there is a image noise clearly present in the pictures. Daylight performance is really amazing. Main camera gives you punchy saturated colors. The low light performance might not be too much good, but still you can manage to get really great photos. This one is wide angle, this one is a main camera, and this one is a telephoto camera. All three are sharp enough, and here we got a daylight selfie. That video bokeh looks really good. Image quality is really decent. Even after zooming in, you can see the difference. In terms of video recording, you got optical image stabilization, and that video bokeh feature is really fun to use. Talking about the benchmarks, clearly this is one of the most underrated phones in this particular price point. Let me tell you, benchmarks are really impressive. Onto the left you can see the Wildlife 3D Mark score, and here is the Slingshot Extreme onto the right. And if you want to truly unleash the power of Realme GT Master Edition, you can turn on that GT mode. Gaming on this phone is a real good pleasure. Even if you play for longer durations, overheating won't be an issue. Thanks to the Snapdragon 778G, 8GB of RAM perfectly handles all the day-to-day tasks. And with the RAM expansion option, you can expand up to 5GB of RAM even more. 120Hz AMOLED display is really pleasure while watching videos or even playing games. Pair this up with a super fast in-display fingerprint scanner. I think there is no reason why you should go for any other Android phone at this price point. Now surely there must be some downsides. Talking about your Android experience, you got some bloatware preloaded. It took me solid 3 to 4 minutes to remove all the bloatware, but nevertheless, out of the box stock Android experience could have been much nice. As of right now, I'm running Realme UI 2.0 and I'm enjoying Android 11 experience. Right around the corner there is an Android 12 update surely coming up. And while talking about the battery life, I can easily get 1 day out of this phone, but if you max out on 1000 nits of peak brightness all the time, battery drains much faster. Battery capacity might be the reason why you are hesitating to buy this one. Honestly, at first I thought 4300 milliamps per hour might not be enough for me. But considering you got a super fast charger, even if you plug this for just about a minute, you can see the battery percentage climbs up so fast. I'm truly loving the experience of Realme GT Master Edition. It's lightweight to hold, AMOLED display is really pleasure to look at. All in all, I will highly recommend you to get this one. I hope you found this video helpful, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.